It's just a simple switching out here of one shower head for another. And this is actually not a new one. This is the one that used to be on here. And when I bought a new bath kit, this one came with it. And I thought maybe that people would prefer it, but they don't like this one. So I'm gonna switch it back for the old one, which they say worked better. So we're gonna put it on here. You can probably get it tight enough by hand, but you do wanna thread your tape. Now, as I thread this tape, I am aware that you have a different way of doing it that you're going to tell me is superior, and I appreciate that. All of you are correct, and you are awesome for saying so. But you want to get enough on there, and so this tape is just going to create a seal in the threads with the new shower head going on. And honestly, this is one of the least important connections you'll ever make, because if it does leak a bit, you can come back and fix it, and it's going to leak where? Right into the tub. So now I'm going to see if I can get it tight enough by hand, because you don't want to use tools on these finishes or you will scar them up. And the difficulty here is this part rotates without the back part. All right, so let's test it and see if we got it tight enough. The answer there was a quick no, so let me go get something. All right, so I couldn't find anything real quick. So this tool is used to turn things like your plumbing fixtures when you don't want to scar them, but it's made for something a lot larger than this. But I'm going to use it here just to give me something in between in order to get a grip on this without hurting it. So usually, like if you had to turn this, you could stretch this across it and it would tighten up in order to turn it so that you wouldn't scar it. All right, now we're good.